Switch your TikTok account to business account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch your account to a business account easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to TikTok and then go to the top right here on those three lines, click on them and choose settings and privacy, and then go down and click on switch account. I'm sorry, not here. Click here, manage account, and now click on switch to business account, and here you go, everything will be done now. Just click next, choose your category, for example education, and click next. And this is my account, it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.